Yeah, everybody. This is a short video. I got this. I don't know. It's a CNN or ONN from Walmart. I swapped it. I've been hearing all this rumor about the Fire Stick. Changing the operating system. This is my Fire Stick. Been connected to my TV since a couple of years now. It was great. I don't complain. I don't have no complaints. So you see right here. Now, I used to utilize this for the Fire Stick, the power block supply connected to the USB. So now I'm gonna try it with this one here. If you notice, it's already connected. This is my extra, disk drive for more space. And this is the cable. I removed this. You notice I got a lot of stuff here. I don't have that many plugs, and I got a lot of stuff plugged into too many plugs. So this is the Fire Stick power supply. It's connected to the Walmart TV box or NN. You see? Now I'm gonna connect to the USB cable behind my TV. I know it's kind of little. Give me a few. Let me see. I'll show you in a second. Damn. Come on, bro. Right there. It's connected. A little tight, but it's connected. Again, I'm gonna show you. Oh, what a mess I got here. What a mess, what a mess, what a mess. It's connected. That way you don't line right there. It's connected. Now I'm going to turn the TV on. This power on so far is working good. You got the Android sign right there on your TV. And voila. And it's working without no problem. Look. It's working without no problem. If anyone doesn't have that much, I lost my network, I'm sorry. I always try again. Right there. It's working. If any people don't have that much outlets in the room, you got your computer, you got your games, and you need to connect something like this, and you don't have the space for it, guess what? The power supply for Fire Stick, it works. It's working for me right now. And extra, look what I do. Look what I do with this. Garbage. Whoop. Later.